I had the typical Aussie childhood growing up in Wollongong. Lots of beach, barbecues, hanging out at the shops. This was the life I wanted to give my kids. I feared I had to decide between a family and a corporate career. But I wanted both, and in actual fact, Wollongong allowed me to do both. I am the People and Culture Leader at Mercer, a global financial services organisation with close to 550 employees in Wollongong. We want people that have charisma and energy, someone that will go the extra mile, both for their colleagues and for the business. The people we have recruited in Wollongong are just that. I think there's a general sense of purpose and meaning in the locals. And by being able to have that work-life balance, family, career, hobbies, education, it means we have incredible retention rates. It's easy to get around here. It's easy to drop the kids off at school. It's easy to head down the beach. It's easy to go to evening classes at uni. I've been able to do 4 degrees and have 3 kids. I doubt I would have been able to do that in Sydney and raise a family at the same time. Mercer has benefited as the university really wants to support local business. We have access to internships, work experience, research and development, and can provide syllabus assistance. I can't be a progressive female leader if I don't feel that I've got and can nurture that work-life balance. Wollongong helped me have that rewarding corporate career and give my kids the childhood that I wanted for them.